$200. $200 on hers. And
Once again, I have been taken advantage of. Just like the horse, there's a table here at Burger King, which is delicioso. That is a table. It's a shape comparable. Ooh, it's gorgeous. I wanted to sit in it. This little kid was in here before, and he yelled out, "I want to sit at the card table." They're just eating at the card table like it's a regular table, but it's not. It's a card. I don't care. I don't. Muriel, what's your reaction?
It's so pretty. I want to ride this.
I'm okay with sitting at a table. This restaurant is awesome. See, look. And look, rock around the clock. If you don't realize it, the CD does not say rock around the clock. It says rock around the cop.
That's not Disney.
And the lady was on her cell phone while she was trying to help us.
Oh my god. I stood there asking for honey mustard 3 times. She's standing on her cell phone, ignoring me.
She's on stage.
Just wanted honey mustard. I both wanted.
Just honey mustard. That was honey mustard.
See, this is me dipping my onion ring in a honey mustard.
That's kind of weird. Katie ate her dessert first.
It's delicious.
I'm telling your mom.
You tell my mom.
She'd probably be like, I do the same thing.
Very good.
Yeah.
Goodbye.